Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Google Map 3D models into iClone 7.9. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, what you need to do is just go to my video descriptions. You should be able to find this download link. Download the Google Map 3D Grabber. This is a new updated version at March 2022. Download it as a zip file and extract it into folder. Once you already download this, you should be able to get it, the Google Map 3D Grabber. Once you open the folder, now you can see the contents inside here. The first, you must make sure you already install the Google Chrome. This is Windows 10, and this is Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. This is the Google Chrome browser that I already installed. And then you should be able to see the shortcut. The first one is the Google Chrome shortcut, and another one is the Google Chrome for the RenderDoc. And inside this folder, you can see a Blender 3.0. This is the one that I given to you, the Blender 3.0. It already proved work together with the RenderDoc 1.18. First, you must double click this RenderDoc installer to install everything first. To install this software, to make sure you already have the RenderDoc. And next, when you check your Google Chrome RenderDoc shortcut, you right click the properties, you can see the target. The target already different from the original. This is the original, the Google Chrome original shortcut. So if you already finished install the RenderDoc, first you can just start your RenderDoc. Before you start the RenderDoc, you make sure you already close all the browser, especially the Google Chrome browser or any of the Chromium browser. Then you start the RenderDoc. Right. Once you start the RenderDoc, so please do not update it. Just let it maintain as the current version. Right. So click here, File, inject into Process, and then here you type Chrome. Right. And after that, just stand by like this. Next. From the shortcut that I given to you, this is a Google Chrome RenderDoc shortcut. Double click it, and you should be able to see this is a message. It is totally blank here. It is white. You can't see anything. Here you have another one, GPU starting with PID, etc. This is a conversation. So here you refresh, click the Google Chrome GPU, and click inject. At the same time, here you click OK. Then click into yours. Alright, now you should be able to see it have some words at here. The black background with white words. That means you already success. And here you go to the maps.google.com. Here, maps.google.com, enter. Alright, at this moment, you try to find some of the map that already have the Google Chrome, that already have the 3D map. First, you click the layer to make sure you can see, make it become the satellite. Then this is a US. Let's say if I type the Paris Eiffel Tower, that is the Eiffel Tower. Where is it? It is at the France. Here. Right. It should be already have the Eiffel Tower. Enter. This one should be in Paris. Right. Now this is the Eiffel Tower, and this is the 3D Google Map. Then you have to click 3D here. Now it becomes the 3D, you can see, and you also can turn it. Right. So how are we going to import everything into the iClone 7? So first what you are going to do is save it as an RDC file. You back to your RenderDoc here. Capture after delay, you put 5 seconds. Here, put 5 seconds. Then you click capture after delay. After you click, then you have to immediately move the map around in this way. Now you can see capture frame save already. Now in your RenderDoc, it is already saved. You right click, save as a RDC file. So as demo, I will save it on my desktop, and here I will just put it Eiffel Tower in Paris. This is the map name. Let's save it. Now the RDC file already on my desktop. This is the RDC file. If you cannot see the file extension, you can just go to the view in any file explorer. Go to the view options, view, and then show hide extension for non-file type. You untick it. Then you should be able to see that this is the RDC file. Let's go to the view here. View, hide extension for non-file type. Untick it. Then you can see that this is the RDC file. Alright. So next, open the Blender that I given to you. This is a Blender 3.0 with the related plugin for RDC file. I already installed for you. What you need to do is just open it. Open the Blender here. The plugin is already installed here. So what you need to do is just go to the edit preferences. Then here you search the you search the map. Then you should be able to see that the map model importer, you must make sure you tick it. Tick it already, and close. Next. In your Blender, just select all of this. We don't want the camera, we don't want this. We don't want the cube, we don't want the light. Press delete to delete everything, and then click File, Import. The Google Map Capture, the RDC. This is the one that plugin already installed for you. Click here. It is on my desktop. The RDC file is the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Just double click in. Now, just wait for a while until it finishes loaded. At this moment, it may show not responding, but you just need to be patient and wait for a while. Alright, then the iClone 7.9, I already opened it here. Alright, so just wait for a while and stand by. Now, you can see it finished imported already from the RDC file into Blender. At this moment, what you need to do is just check from here. The viewport shading, you should be able to see that this is the 3D model. Right. So next, you are going to import this into iClone 7. From the Blender, what you need to do is just click File, Export as FBX file. This is really important and crucial. The path mode you choose, copy, and make sure you highlight this. Take it. This one is very important. Next, as demo, I will put on my desktop. Then, the file name here, I will name it as Eiffel Tower in Paris. Alright, then click Export FBX. I export it as FBX. Now this is a FBX file. And then in your iClone 7, you open your iClone 7 here, drag in the FBX file into iClone 7, drag it here, importing the FBX file. It takes just a few seconds. Then this object contains 234 meshes. Do you like to break up the meshes into subprops? Here select no. Alright, just make it become one. And now you can see this Eiffel Tower in Paris already in iClone 7. So you can see once you press W, the pivot point is not at the center, so you have to go to here. It's under Modify, click here, scroll down, make sure the pivot point is at the center bottom. Right, then you drag it up again, click reset to zero out. Now it is at the center. Now this is the Eiffel Tower, and it is already inside the Paris city. Now you are importing the Paris city into iClone 7 in 3D, and this originally from Google Map 3D, and this is just for fun and just for fun. That is what I mean. Right. So that's all for today about how to import the Google Map 3D model into iClone 7.9 just for fun. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.